my obsession. This is Anamika here, and today finally I am back with a makeup tutorial. Literally I wanted to film a makeup tutorial from a while now, and finally it's happening today, and this is the Raksha Bandhan makeup tutorial. I am really excited because officially we are into the festive season. It's starting of the festive season, and I am going to do a lot of makeup tutorials now. So yeah, I am super excited for that. And even if you have any request for any occasion, do comment down below, so I'm definitely going to film it for you guys. And this is how my look has turned out today. I am in love with purple and this beautiful peachish pink. This is how the look is. It is super easy. I did not use a lot of brush. Like, I have just used a brush, one for smoking out my lower lashes only with purple color, and one for filling up my brows. Otherwise I have not touched any brushes today. So yeah, this is a no brush kind of makeup look. It's only done by beauty sponge. So I hope this is going to be easy for you. I am super duper excited for the Raksha Bandhan, but I don't know if I'm going to wear this or not. But if you are wearing something Indian and traditional, this is what you can do. You can recreate, and if you recreate, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I will definitely like to see your makeup look, your recreation. So I hope this is going to be easy for you guys as well. And if you want to know how I have created this look, then you have to keep on watching. But before that, let me just tell you, if you enjoy this video, please give me a like and even subscribe to my channel for more such videos coming this festive season. So yeah, that's it, me blabbering. Now let's get into this tutorial. First thing first, I'm going to start by priming my face, and for that I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth, applying this all over my face with my fingers and massaging it well. Even I have done my CTM before the primer, so you can even do the same. So this is going to act as a barrier between your CTM and even your foundation. And for the foundation, I have taken the Maybelline's Lumi Matte Foundation in the shade 128. It's my perfect match. As you can see, I'm just applying this with a beauty sponge, and then I'm going to move on to my concealer. And for the concealer, I have taken the Makeup Revolution concealer, and I'm applying this on the highest points of my face where I usually highlight. So this is all the points I always highlight, and I'm going to just leave it on for some time. And moving on to the contour, and for the contour stick, I have taken the Blue Heaven contour stick. This is the Strobe, I guess. I will list everything in the description box, so do check it out. You can see where all I have applied this. And now next, for the blusher, I'm taking the Earth Rhythm Satin Nude Blush. There are 3 shades in this, but I'm using the top one, which has a very peachish pink coral undertone, and I am applying this on the apples of my cheeks and even the point of my nose. And now I have started blending everything out with the beauty sponge, and I am taking a good time to blend it all in so it looks nicely blended and even flawless. So that's what I have done in here. Even you can use a brush if you are comfortable. You don't need to use what I am using. I have done this video only for the purpose of showing you guys that you can even do your makeup without any brush. So now I'm going to set my face, and for that I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder in the shade 130. And I'm going to be using this all over my face as I have used a lot of cream product. So I really want to set my face well so it's not going to budge and move. Next, I'm going to use this face palette, which is actually a face and eyeshadow palette. I'm going to pick up this contour shade, and you can see this is so much pigmented. So I have again gone with the powder contour on the areas where I normally contour, like down the bridge of my nose, on the hollows of my cheeks, on my forehead, and even on the jawline, plus underneath my lips, because it gives a very nice natural fuller looking lips. And for my blusher, I'm moving on to the Fit Me blusher. I forgot the name, so I'm going to list everything in the description box to check it out. And I'm applying this on the apples of my cheeks again, and even applying this on the nose because I really love doing this. And next I'm going to move on to my highlighter from the Maybelline itself. This is the Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold, and I'm again applying it with my fingers. and even blending out with a beauty sponge, so it is nicely blended, not looking very harsh and chunky. Like, it's not having any chunky glitters, but it still should not look very shiny over the top. So I am making sure I am blending this very well with my fingers, and even applied it on the eyebrow bone so it can look really nice and uplifted. Even I'm applying the highlighter with my pinky finger in the inner corner of my eyes, and then moving on to the eyebrows. I did it off camera, but I did use a brush. I did not like my brows a lot, but yeah, it works. So next I'm going with the same palette and taking this brown shade and applying this again with my finger. You can see the technique how I am doing, and even I have picked up this blush, pinkish blush shade to go with it on the outer V of my eyes, and you can see how I am doing. So you have to follow the fingers how I have blended out. Next I have taken this very beautiful shimmery rose gold shade. It was very light and it has given me just a sheen of color, so that's what I did. Now after finishing off with the eyeshadow, I am moving on to the eyeliner, and for that I'm taking the Sugar Cosmetics Arrested for Overstay eyeliner, and I'm making a very beautiful wing, and even I am making sure I'm making a nice inner corner small wing. Like, this is going to give you a perfect cat eye effect, so that's what I'm doing. It is a very elongated wing, so do that if you want to, otherwise you can go for a short one. Next, for my eyelashes, using the Maybelline Colossal Waterproof Mascara and wiggling this on my lashes. Next, I was not sure about applying a kajal, but I did and it was looking nice. So I have used the Recode's kajal, which was a gel based kajal, and even smoked out my lower lash line with a purple eyeshadow. It was a little shimmery, so it gave me a very beautiful look on the eyes. And then I am moving on to my lips. Before the lipstick, I'm going ahead with a lip liner. This is by Swiss Beauty and it's a very beautiful nude brown shade. I am lining my lips with this. Even I am filling the lips with it because it's going to give a very beautiful look when I am applying the lipstick. And for the lipstick, I am using Blue Heavens Cookie and Souffle lipstick. The shade is in the description box, so do check it out. I've applied this and you can see this was giving the perfect color that I wanted for my outfit that I'm wearing. Guys, this is how the look has turned out. I hope you all enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and if you do, you know what you have to do. Give me a like and even subscribe to my channel. यहाँ पर बैठ के मैं पसीना पसीना हो रही हूँ, so please give me a like and even subscribe to my channel for the effort that I'm putting. And even don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook page. It's flashing right in the screen. And even if you have any request for this festive season, just comment down below in the comment section. I love to create a look for you guys. So yeah, that's it for this video. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.